What is up, guys? Back with another unboxing. This time I have another keyboard, but it's wired. Made by Case Logic. I guess whenever people stopped buying CDs, they had to start making something. Case Logic they made CD cases for CDs and junk. If you youngins don't know, so yeah, it's in a sleeve and in a bag and all this junk. Already, it actually feels quite nice. It is like a solid metal, pretty much. I mean, the frame, maybe metal. It's cold. It's cold like metal, so it's got a metal feel to it at least. The bottom is just like a solid piece of metal, and you got a nice force, kind of typing feedback, and you have all your play, pause. All those buttons up here at top. Pretty nice. Sorry about that microphone bump. That keyboard I just got done doing such a piece of crap. It's actually nice to hold something that at least feels like it's got some quality to it. Let me plug this thing into the PC. And get typing on it, and I'll tell you what I think about it real quick. Alright guys, I got it plugged in. It's really quiet. It doesn't have the sound. I usually like to hear my keyboards, but too bad you guys can't see my screen right now. It's got really good action. The actual key has a pretty nice travel. And like I said, compared to that last Bluetooth, where is it? This thing. Compared to this, it's way better. It's not Bluetooth or wireless or whatever, but you can get a dongle to fit your tablet or your phone. I would go the wired route way before that piece of crap Polaroid. But yeah, Case Logic. It's hilarious to me, but it's actually a decent keyboard. If you like this video, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, guys,